Good morning, dear students. Today we discussed about the ORS practical section and what are the important uses, advantages, disadvantages, and their preparation methods. Okay, so these are included in your syllabus as PH 2.2. Prepare oral rehydration solution from ORS packet and explain its use. So these are the learning objectives. That is, first we defined oral rehydration solution or what is ORS, and then describe the quantity of ingredients of ORS, and then we are able to describe the action of every ingredients in ORS, and then we are able to describe the uses of ORS, and then what are the precautions of ORS solution usage and their importance of proper storage, and how to prepare this ORS powder in laboratory, and then how to prepare this powder in home. These are the main our learning objectives. Okay, before going our ORS powder, first we give some introduction about this OR powders. What is powders? Powders are the simple solid dosage forms, and these are finely divided products which is homogeneously mixed one. And finely divided powders are easily dissolved in water or mixed with soft foods. So this oral rehydration salt ORS powder is an best example of fine powders that easily dissolvable in water. Okay, there are different types of powders. Mostly they are categorized as simple powder, compound and effervescent powder. This classification is based on their ingredients. In simple powder, this contains only one active ingredient. For example, like atropine sulfate powder. And the examples of compound powder is contains one or more active ingredients, that is APC powder, and effervescent powders which are mainly produces effervescence when it is combined with water, that is Celsius powders. These are the some important powders. Here we are discussing about the ORS powder is a easily dividable or finely powdered category. This ORS powder is comes under the compound powder, that is this contains the more than one active ingredients. These are mainly used for internal use for diarrhea and dehydration. These are the main types of ORS powder based on their ingredients. Sodium bicarbonate based ORS powder. Another one is trisodium citrate based. Then reduced osmolarity ORS. Then super ORS. Okay. This is the main composition of sodium bicarbonate based ORS. This mainly contains the sodium bicarbonate, sodium chloride, potassium chloride and glucose. Trisodium citrate based ORS. These main compositions are sodium chloride, potassium chloride, trisodium citrate and glucose. Their contents are same, but their weighing in the different manner. This in sodium chloride, this the amounts are in varying. And next we come to this, the composition of new WHO ORS formulation. This new formulation is now used one. There's ingredients for one packet contains sodium chloride is 2.6 gram, potassium chloride 1.5 gram, trisodium citrate 2.9 gram and dextrose anhydrous 13.5 gram. Total weight of water is total weight is 20.5 gram and this dissolved in 1 liter water. The total osmolarity of this preparation is 245 mm, and this old formulation was the difference between old and new formulations. In old formulation, sodium chloride content are high. This is a 3.5 gram, and glucose is dextrose anhydrous contains 20 gram, but in modified formulation we reduce this amount of sodium chloride and glucose, and this reduce the total osmolarity of preparations. Okay, this new guidelines is based on WHO, UNESCO and IAP recommendation. The government of India has adopted the low osmolarity ORS, that is 245 mmol per liter, as a single universal ORS to be used for all ages and all types of diarrhea. What are the advantages of this low osmolarity ORS? Nowadays, this WHO recommended this low osmolarity ORS. This low osmolarity ORS, the main advantages, is helpful for the reduction in stool output, and this decrease the vomiting rate, and is also decrease in use of unshielded IV fluids, and is helpful to decrease the risk of hyponatremia. Okay, what are the main actions of these ingredients? Mainly, the important ingredients in this the WHO recommended new guidelines formulation contains sodium chloride, potassium chloride, trisodium citrate, and glucose. What are the actions of these ingredients? Sodium chloride is mainly facilitate water absorptions in small intestine, and is helpful for the electrolyte balance. So these are mostly life-saving in case of mainly infants. So in diarrhea, this the correction of this acid-base balance is important. This sodium chloride plays an important role. This provides the electrolytes and restores acid balance. Potassium chloride, this maintains nerve muscle activity. That means this correct the hypokalemia. Trisodium citrate, this help to correct acidosis. Glucose, the main role is facilitate sodium and water absorptions in small intestine, and water is to replace fluid loss and is here act as the vehicle. These are the main actions of this ORS powder ingredients. So this the main combinations is the bicarbonate and tricitrate ORS are available. So what's the difference between this bicarbonate based and tricitrate based ORS? This bicarbonate base is less stable one, and its stool output is not reduced. So this tricitrate based ORS is the most approved and WHO recommended one, because a more stable one, less stool output in high output diarrhea, and trisodium citrate, this mainly increases the intestinal absorptions of sodium and water. So what are the main uses of this ORS powder? This helpful to mild to moderate dehydration in case of diarrhea. This is helpful to controlling the dehydration, and this replace the fluid and electrolyte losses. Mostly these are seen in vomiting, excess sweating, burns. In that situations, this help to replace the fluid and electrolyte losses, and is mainly used in case of post-traumatic, post-burns, post-surgical maintenance, and heat stroke. Okay. In mild dehydration, when their body weight is loss of less than 5%. So we require the 50 ml per kilogram of ORS within 4 to 6 hours, and these are given in small divided doses at half to 1 hour interval. In moderate cases, if there is the weight loss of about 6 to 10%, this requiring 100 ml per kilogram of ORS within 4 hours in small divided doses at half to 1 hourly interval. In severe cases, this ORT therapy alone is not reliable. So IV fluid in volume that's equal to body weight loss is infused over 2 to 4 hours, and this failing which shock and death may occur. So in severe cases, only ORT along is not work out. This though we additionally IV fluid also administered. So maintenance dose of ORS is equal to the rate of fluid loss and is approximately 100 to 200 ml per kilogram per day. So that is 100 to 200 ml of ORS per loose stool usually required. What are the main disadvantages of this ORS powder? The most important disadvantages is a hygroscopic. That is, this have the tendency of to absorb the moisture from the surrounding atmosphere. That's the main drawbacks of ORS powder. Another one is this is very poor shelf life. Poor shelf life, and these are unpalatable. That means it's not a tasty one. This taste is a little bit salty taste, not a pleasant taste. Is an unpalatable and is not designed to stop diarrhea but to restore and maintain hydration, electrolyte and pH balance. So is useful only in case of mild cases. Main precautions in ORS use: precipitation of congestive heart failure, edema and hypertension may occur. Next, storage is most important. Why this shows this nature of hygroscopic. So this need to protect from moisture and is stored at cool and dry place. And ORS, when this prepared to be refrigerated and is to be consumed within 24 hours. Why this storage is important? If it's not stored properly, caking and brown discoloration of ORS can occur. This actually occurs due to the formation of furfural compounds, which is more with sodium bicarbonate. This preparation contains sodium bicarbonate. So if it's not stored properly, there is the chance of formation of furfural compounds. So our preparations becomes cakey or brown discoloration. And less with trisodium citrate. If this property, that's the brown discoloration of this ORS powder and formation of furfural compound, is less with the trisodium citrate, and shelf life of ORS is increased. So best ORS combination is trisodium citrate based ORS powder is best one comparing to sodium bicarbonate based one. And this trisodium citrate based and low osmolarity is the WHO recommended ORS preparation. Okay, adjuvant therapy, usually adjuvant therapy with zinc supplements, mostly this 10 mg for infants, 20 children and 50 mg for adults per day for 10 to 14 days. This found to very beneficial to reduce the severity, duration and recurrence of diarrhea. Okay, next we come to this the preparation of ORS in laboratory. So now we're going to prepare and dispense ORS powder for a patient suffering from diarrhea and dehydration. Okay, these are the main requirements. We need the dispensing balance, weight box, mortar and pestle, metallic spatula, wax paper, filter paper or white paper. Then all these dry ingredients. These are the main requirements. Okay, then how to prepare this one? First we weigh out all these dry ingredients and this place in mortar. And then this grind all these ingredients well with pestle, and then you make a uniform mixture of fine powder. Then pack the ORS powder in a packet, put label and dispense. This is the label format. After our preparation, just put this in an envelope and label. This is the label format. First we give the details about the patient's name, sex, age and place, and then write the direction for use. Dissolve the entire content in 1 liter of boiled and cooled water, about 100 ml to be taken every half hourly till dehydration is relieved. An oral rehydration solution once prepared is to be consumed within 24 hours. Okay, then we write the place of manufacturing and a date of manufacturing, then dispensed by your sign name and the register number. This is the label format for this ORS preparations. Okay, first we give the details about the patient, then direction for use, then the manufacturing details, then dispensing doctor information, their sign name and register number. Okay. Then how to prepare the oral rehydration solution from ORS packet. Now these are available in ready-made packets. Okay, so if a ready-made packet, first we check the expiry date and then check if it's airtighted and read their instructions. Okay, then for ORS packets of 1 liter is boiled and cooled filter or mineral water. So you put this ORS powder in a boiled and cooled filter and mineral water. Then this ORS prepared one is used within 24 hours and they should be put in a plain water. Some of guys have the tendency to mix this powder in this fruit juice or cold drinks. No, they have actually this loses its efficacy. So you should put this powder in a plain water. Okay. Then preparation of ORS at home. Then how we prepare this ORS if you need urgently to prepare in home. So what are the ingredients we required for this ORS powder to prepare in home? First we take the 1 liter boiled and cooled filtered mineral water, then add sugar, that is 6 medium size level teaspoon, this 30 gram sugar is added, then glucose and common salt. If you record this, baking soda or half to 1 lemon juice is also added. This preparation also used within 24 hours. Next we come to what is super ORS. Super ORS is a modified form of ORS. This mainly contains amino acids, is alanine, glycine. So these amino acids help in sodium and water absorption. In super ORS, that is solution which in addition to rehydration, this leads to decreasing on purging rates and improvement in diarrhea by enhanced absorption. This shows the enhanced sodium absorptions. So this help to improving the diarrheal symptoms, and this also decrease the purging rates. It is added to certain actively transported amino acids. The efficiency is marginal and is not extended to non-calorie diarrhea. This cost effectiveness may not be favorable. Okay. These are the some worksheet questions based on our class. What are the uses of ORS? Main actions of ingredients. What are the disadvantages of presently available ORS, and what is super ORS, and what are the precautions in ORS use. And this ORS preparations video, there's a one video I make this based on only this the making of ORS preparation. Here I am discussing about only the theoretical part of ORS preparations. Okay, thank you.